Hey guys, it's Nick. I'm here in the ritzy neighborhood of Kolonaki in Athens, close to Syntagma Square. I'm gonna walk around and show you what this neighborhood is like. So this little walkway here has all the kind of cafes, restaurants that are also a nightlife hangout on the weekends as well, or at night. You see there's bars here. A lot of coffee during the daytime. Last time I came here last summer, it was kind of empty because I guess people were still on vacation. Now it is September 12th, so I think all of the locals are back in town. This is not really a tourist area. Kolonaki is kind of like the Upper East Side of Manhattan, a very high-end neighborhood. There's a lot of embassies and stuff around Syntagma Square, so the real estate and this neighborhood is definitely on the high end. A lot of rich people live here. And so the stores you see reflect that, and the shops and all of that stuff. Cafes are really nice. So let's take a walk around, and from what I understand, I believe they're building a metro stop here. So there is no metro stop coming to Kolonaki, but there is one on Syntagma Square, which is like a 5-minute walk, so no big deal. But you see some really nice buildings. There's some flag over there. I don't know what country that is. But yeah, there's a lot of high-end shopping over here, so if you're a tourist and you want to pick up something nice, definitely come over here. Or even if you want to just walk through the area, because it's very interesting, and have a iced coffee or whatever at one of these cafes, or a drink, there is a lot to choose from out here. And that looks pretty good. So some really nice places here. So there's more up this way. I'm not going to walk all of it, but just to give you an idea that this is a really nice neighborhood. Like I said, it's semi-touristy, but not super touristy, because a lot of local people live here year-round, I guess. But you'll see how close it is to the Parliament building in Syntagma Square. It's basically right around the corner over here. A lot of people on motorcycles and scooters out here. Looks like a nice coffee shop, Carpo. This is Academias. And right over there on the right is the police riot bus, which is, as far as I know, it's always there, because every time I come here it's there. So they are always ready for some riot or protest to break out at the Parliament building, I guess. Excuse me.
Sorry.
I just scared that woman who was looking at her phone as I walked by. So this is the left-hand side of the Parliament building if you're standing in front of it. And right over there is Syntagma Square. So this avenue has a lot of embassies, and if you go up, there's the hospital as well. And a lot of really high-end hotels right here, of course, too. So let's just walk over there so you get an idea of where this is. And these guys are marching over here. Is that the changing of the guard that's in front of the Parliament building, maybe? I don't know. So there's the Greek Parliament building. This is Syntagma Square. So here is the Greek Parliament building behind me, and you have Syntagma Park or Square here where you can also catch a metro. So if you're in Athens, definitely go check out Kolonaki to the left of the Parliament building. Very interesting neighborhood to check out and have a drink or get a bite to eat. Hope you like this one, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.